One of our key partners is Better Globe Forestry. We have established a memorandum of understanding for purpose of trying to work together. And one of the areas we are doing is increasing tree cover in the drylands, focusing on one of the key species known as Melia volkensii, or locally as mukau. It's an important dryland species which is multi-purpose, but one of the key areas of the species is production of quality timber. Mukau is producing timber, which is a form of mahogany timber from the drylands, and we believe that by trying to work together and develop this particular species, we shall reduce pressure from the other mahoganies that are coming from the Congo Basin. We have been able to develop a lot of activities in terms of improving the propagation technologies. We can now mass produce mukau for the farmers. We have been able to develop establishment methods. We have been working on specimen spacing trials. We are looking at the aspects of pruning, aspects of integrating the species with crops. And we believe that Better Globe Forestry, who are focusing on how they can be able to develop tree-based enterprises using this particular species, will be able to help the communities in terms of improving their livelihoods on the one hand, and also contribute to increasing of tree cover, because the target for this country is 10%. And we believe that by increasing tree cover, we shall also be addressing the issues of climate change mitigation as well as adaptation.
It's really hard for most of us to even imagine how farmers and their families can make a living on less than $1 a day in the drylands of Kenya. They're constantly experiencing crop failure with maize crops that may be lost 2 out of 3 years. They grow livestock, but with the droughts becoming more common, they're losing these animals due to lack of fodder, lack of water during the dry season. The cultivation of trees for wood and other products has increasingly been seen as a means of enabling families to make a pathway out of poverty by increasing their assets and their income over time. This can add diversity to the family income and a way of building assets as their trees grow over the years.